Hey everyone, you all might have heard about Ed Sheeran's copyright case. Today I will explain what exactly the story is, so let's get started. What is the case against Sheeran? In the current copyright infringement case against Sheeran, the pop singer is being accused of copying his 2014 award-winning track from that of the late icon Marvin Gaye's 1973 soul classic Let's Get It On. According to the New York Times, the lawsuit has been filed by Catherine Townsend Griffin, whose late father, Ed Townsend, co-wrote the song Let's Get It On. It alleges that Sheeran lifted the underlying musical composition of Gaye's song, which refers to the musical building blocks of the song, even if not the specific lyrics or feel. As of now, the jury is supposed to evaluate whether Sheeran copied Gaye's song's building blocks, which are documented on the sheet music on a file with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, according to the Associated Press. Thus, it is being argued that the presence of overt common elements between the two songs is a violation of copyright. Copyright is a type of intellectual property that protects original works of authorship, such as photographs, musical compositions, sound recordings, computer programs, books, poems, movies, architectural works, and more, as soon as they take on a tangible form of expression. Although the lawsuit was originally filed in 2017, it has finally now made it to a stage of trial that is expected to last up to 2 weeks in the Manhattan Federal Court of 95-year-old Judge Louis L. Stanton, the AP has reported. Responding to the mashup or medley video played by the plaintiffs, Sheeran said, "If I had done what you're accusing me of doing, I'd be quite an idiot to stand on a stage in front of 20,000 people and do that." He also testified that he often performed such medleys in courts, which he said were made possible by the limited harmonic palette of mainstream pop music. Arguing that most pop songs can fit over most pop songs, Sheeran explained how one could easily go from Let It Be by Beatles to Bob Marley's No Woman No Cry and seamlessly switch back and forth between the two. Sheeran's lawyers have argued that the song's structural symmetry points to the foundation of popular music. The two songs share versions of a similar and unprotectable chord progression that was freely available to all songwriters, the defense has argued in the court filing. Adding that chords are the generic building blocks and fair game for any musician, Sheeran's lawyer submitted a guitar textbook as evidence to show that a standard progression can be used by any musician to write a song. On the other hand, the plaintiffs have argued that even if the chords are publicly available, the specific way they were used in Gaye's song is original in its selection and arrangement for it to be protected by the copyright. However, this is not the first time Sheeran is facing a copyright lawsuit for his music. A year back, Sheeran won a copyright infringement case in the UK over his 2017 hit Shape of You, following which he expressed how such accusations and cases were really damaging to the songwriting industry. Moreover, in 2016, Sheeran was accused of copying aspects of his song Photograph from Matt Cardle's song Amazing. However, this case was settled a year later when the names of the amazing songwriters were added to the credits of Sheeran's Photograph. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button just below and subscribe to my channel.